This week on Sundays with Sully, we are talking about the most important thing on board your boat. That's your family and keeping them safe. Let's get after it, guys. Well, what's good, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Sundays with Sully. Thank you guys for tuning in. We are down at the Miami Boat Show this week, and we are at the Garmin booth, and we are talking about the Garmin OnBoard system. Guys, this is literally life-saving potential equipment you are going to want to consider as an add-on if you already have a Garmin system or if you have a new build. What is it, guys? It's a simple black box that gets mounted below the helm, and then we have very simple fobs like this right here with a carabiner or a wristwatch style attachment to it that will sound an alarm on board if it gets more than 100 to 150 feet away from the boat, or if this gets wet. So if you fall overboard, it's immediately going to alert you on your chart plotter as a man overboard situation. So we have a quick little tile set up right here with the two of them, and we can look and see who is on board and what is happening. And if we go ahead and we expand this, now we can come in and we can actually see, we can give somebody the tag as captain or passenger. We can see the signal strength, and we can review each of these and see what is happening, and or if we want to protect them. If we have this person or we want to turn the protection off, we can reacquire it and set our timing for reacquiring. Maybe you want to step away from the boat for fuel, things like that, or we can turn it back on. So we've got all of this right here, very easy to use, and you can tag up to 8 tags on board your boat. And the key here, guys, is that captain tag on there. We can integrate that into your engine and actually kill the engine. So if the captain falls overboard, we're going to kill the motors. We're going to get an alert on here that allows them to restart it, and you can come back and get them. So it's just another layer of protection on board, guys, for very short money for that safety. It's a man overboard. Get it wet, get away, you're going to know, you're going to get the alert. You can put that even on your dog. If your dog boats with you, you're going to know where your dog is. So it's just a lot of possibilities there, and I think it's really cool. We think we're going to be installing a lot of these. If you want to know more about it, leave it down below in the comments or reach out to us, sales@navtronics.com. Thank you, Garmin, for letting me come in here and film. If you have any other questions, let us know. We'll see you next week with something cool. Peace.